Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your notifications in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it usually opens up with a home menu where we have our feed, where we can get interesting ideas from. But from here we have to go into the notifications in the bottom bar. And here in the notifications, in the updates, in the top right corner, we find the little adjustments icon. If we tap on this, then we can select what kind of updates we want to get notified about. For example, if we tap on comments, then we are going to get notified only about comments. And if we set it to photos, then the same thing will happen, but just for photos. And if we leave it all, then yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.